Hi, it's David again from DP Computing. This time we've got a Toshiba Satellite A660. We're just going to remove the hard drive and also show you how to replace the battery. Just before we go on, just a word of warning, perform these steps at your own risk and take anti-static precautions. Now this is the rear or the underside of the unit, and the first thing we need to do is remove the battery, which is here. So we've just got two clips. That one, as you heard, just clips out, and this one you have to hold and then the battery just slides out. So just put that to one side, and then we've got two other panels. We've got the memory here and the hard drive here. Now for the hard drive there's one screw, and for the memory as well there's just one screw, which is just a normal Phillips head screwdriver. So just take that and unscrew. As you see there, the screw doesn't fully come out, and we've got memory in. This one's got two RAM sticks in, and to pop them out there's two little chrome holders. Just pop them to the side and the memory pops up. Same with the other one, just push them outwards and memory pops up. To put them back in, it's the same, it's the reverse of the process. So just slide it in and then push it down until they click into place. The hard drive, as I said, is here. So there's just one screw. Again, it's a Phillips head screwdriver. Now this screw does come out. Usually they don't come out, so just be wary of that. And then just remove the panel. And there we've got the hard drive itself. This one's not screwed in any other way, and there's a little tag here. I don't know if you can see. So just push that to the left, and then we should be able to grab it up and out. This one's held in by a little sort of foil type cover, which has again 4 screws on it. So just remove those screws. Again, it's just a normal Phillips head screwdriver. Whoops. Just remember where you put the screws and you don't lose them. Just 2 more screws to do. There we go, and then that just gets removed, and there we've got just a normal 2.5-inch hard drive, which you can replace, upgrade with a SSD or replace with another normal platter hard drive. And to put it back is just to do the following, reverse of what you did before, sorry. And so we just put that back on, screw the 4 sides in, pop it back in, slide it to the right until it's fully in the connectors there. And then you can screw on both the back panels, so that one, and then reverse put in the battery. Well, thank you for watching, and please visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is at DP Computing, or I should say youtube.com/DP Computing, which a link should be popping up now. And we also have various other teardowns of other Toshiba laptops on one of our playlists. So please check that out and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.